It's going on YouTube. I hope you know that, Tristan. It's going on YouTube.
What's it gonna be under?
Laid on the beach.
Yeah.
How not to get laid on the beach.
Yeah, how not to get laid on the beach.
I'm gonna crawl.
Oh my god. That's like a fucking...
Who's your daddy? Air? I'm your daddy. Say my name.
Will you be able to hear this?
Hopefully. Oh my god. Come on, our fans were probably almost like shit.
Yeah, that's where you want it, right, Tristan?
Look, I'll do everything backwards. Sharna, I can go backwards.
What time is it? What time is it?
That's what I was getting.
I stand under my umbrella, Ella, hey, you're gay.
What time was it?
Want to see the circle of trust?
2:32.
2:30.
Circle of trust.
2:30?
Not 2:30. Should we tell like...
A half-hour walk. It only takes like 5 minutes.
Check it out, I'll be Sandman.
I gotta empty some shit on my
I'm Sandman.
I have to go pee and I have to get stuff out of my locker. Don't I have to get stuff out of you?
Look, I'm Sandman.
You out of my locker?
No, it's from Mariah.
Oh yeah.
You can just leave it
Go
in
in the
there.
water and melt.
That's what
Alright.